back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. On today's video, I have a wedding and bridal haul from Amazon and Shein, as well as a couple other stores. If you are planning on getting married, or if you're getting married soon, you are going to love today's video. I have a bunch of cute stuff to share with you and I am so excited. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you like anything that's pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I got married a few months ago and we decided to plan and do a small wedding party. So I'm going to share with you some items that I purchased for our wedding party, as well as some shoes that I also got. I also plan on doing a second video on bridal beauty essentials. I bought a bunch of new makeup, a new perfume. I have tons of cute things to share with you, but that will be a separate video. This video will be more like decor items and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to start off first with some Amazon items, and I will link everything in today's video down below in case you are interested. So first up is this set of 3 cake stands. I did a bunch of research. I checked out the reviews, and this was by far one of the best ones, and I totally agree. This is so sturdy, and that was my main concern, that it wasn't going to be sturdy enough, but this is so sturdy. It comes in a set of 3. I believe it's a 12-inch, 10-inch, and 8-inch, and it's also different heights. This is like a metal, and it is so sturdy. So the colors of our wedding party are going to be ivory and blush pink. So I decided to get some tea light holders in blush pink, and I got this huge box. It comes in a set of 36, and look how pretty they are. They are blush pink see-through glass, beautiful, and they have this like really cute design on them. Aren't they like just so pretty? They are high quality. And I also purchased separately a box of 30 tea lights to put inside. So I did get these, and these are really good quality. I read the reviews and a lot of people said that they are really good quality and they last a very long time. So I do plan on putting some of these on the tables as well as like a centerpiece, but I thought they were really pretty, and you do get like a bunch in there, so I will link those as well. I also got a card box, and this was super affordable. I think it was like around 20 bucks, and it is so sturdy. It is beautiful. It's white and it has the word cards with these little flowers. And it's so easy to put together. I saw the video on this and it's so sturdy. I am so excited with this. It's going to be perfect. And then you also get this like separate little card that says thank you. I am so impressed with the quality on this box. I was scared that it was going to be like very flimsy, but this is beautiful. This is like totally extra, but I wanted something fun that the guests can use while they are dancing and having fun. So I decided to get a box of these. I think this came in a box of 75. They also have smaller numbers, but they are like lights. So they turn on and they are white. I don't know if the camera's pulling up because of the lighting, but they will be like lighting up. And I think this is like so cool because you can kind of like light up the dance floor as you're dancing the night away, and they are so cool. I am so glad I got these, and it's so worth it. So I'll link them down below as well. I also got this beautiful hanger to hang up my gorgeous dress, and I thought this was adorable. This is definitely a must if you are getting married. Like, I highly recommend it. I'm going to save this like forever, and it's so pretty. You can get different color bows on it. Of course, I chose the pink one, and you can choose this to be either silver or gold or rose gold, but I got silver just because my dress does have a little bit of silver in it. But I am obsessed with this hanger. It is wood and it is so worth it if you're getting married. So I bought my dress a few months ago and I've been trying to keep my weight at the same number just because I don't want to have to like alter it last minute, and of course you need a weight scale for that. So I did get this off of Amazon and it's a Bluetooth scale. It is digital and it's in this beautiful shade of blush pink. I am in love with this scale. You can actually connect it with your phone. You can check your like body fat, your density, like everything on your phone, and it kind of tracks it for you. So this has been like my best friend for the past couple months, and it really works, and I highly recommend it. It is from the brand Hi Mally and I am obsessed with it, and I just love the fact that it's pink. Like, it's so pretty. So to help with all the planning and all that of the wedding party, I have been using my MacBook and I needed a case for it. So I got a brand new case and it's so pretty. It's sparkly and pink. I love it. It's like a smooth case. And I also love the fact that it has these like little rubber feet. But I thought this was like really nice. It also came with like that like silicone like keyboard. I took it out just because I feel like my fingers kind of get like in the way, so I took that out. But it does come with like a screen protector, the case, and then the keyboard thing. I did get a new MacBook. Actually, my husband got this for me for Valentine's Day. I needed a new computer. The other one was like getting very old, and he surprised me with a new MacBook Pro. So he's just such a sweetheart. This is another must-have from Amazon. I got this so that I could hang my wedding dress and of course any other outfits after that. It's so handy and very practical. If you have a closet, I highly recommend this. It does come in different colors. I got it in gold just because I'm very into like the gold tone right now, and it's so sturdy, and you just pull this out and you can hang any like outfit. So let's move on with some Shein items. I picked up these gorgeous signs. I still can't believe these were less than $4. I am so impressed with these. I still can't believe it. So you get the Mr. and Miss sign and then the and. They do have bigger sizes, and I was a little worried. I'm like, oh my gosh, what if they're like so small? But these are perfect. This is what I'll be using to decorate our table. But look how cute these are, and they're white, so if you want to paint them any other color, you can literally just spray paint them. These are a must, and they're so affordable. I also got these stickers to put on the soles of my shoes, and these are so cute. They're just like little decals that you stick on the bag, and they're great for pictures. It says she's mine, he's mine, and you can put them on the bottom of your soles and then his shoes. So I got these. I thought these were like so cute, and I think these were like less than $1. Definitely a must. I also picked up a bunch of hair pieces. So I did get a few just to kind of play around with them and see what I like. I ordered this beautiful pink one. It's like a blush pink, and I originally wanted something pink for my hair because the theme, like I said, is ivory and blush pink. But sadly, this is not going to go with my dress just because it does have like gold as well as the pink, and mine is more like silver and pink. So I might give this to my daughter so she could use it for her dress. And I also got this other one here. I don't know how I feel about this one. It looked really pretty online, but it's just it's very hard. It's not like, I don't know, it just doesn't look right. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this one. I also got this one as well in this beautiful kind of ivory color, but sadly it's not gonna work either because it also has the gold on it. If it had like silver, this would definitely work, but it's just not going to match with the dress. This one, on the other hand, I am obsessed. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. I am so glad I got this. This is going to be the perfect one. I think this is it. I think this is the one I'm going to use. It's so pretty, and it is bendable. It is adjustable. It's like a very soft wire, so you can kind of like adjust it and like position it on your hair. It is going to be so beautiful, and it's so dainty, so sparkly. I am obsessed with this one. It is gorgeous. So these next two items are shoes. I got two different pairs of shoes. I got a pair of Converse, and these are custom. You can customize them. The reason why I got these is because you can use them when you are dancing, when you're like super tired of using your high heels, and for photos. So I got these and they were custom made. I chose the lace with the lace shoelaces, and then it says Miss on both sides, and then look at the back. It has my last name. Like, how cute are these? Look at the bottom. It says just married. So for my actual shoes, I decided to go with Nina, and it took me forever to find the right shoes. I literally looked online for more than a month, and I finally found the right ones. They were also very affordable, and they are gorgeous. This brand was like literally my favorite back in the day when I was like super young, and I can't believe that it's still out. So I got these gorgeous shoes, and look at the box. It's even pink. It's like it knew that I was gonna get them. It knew that I was coming for them. So I decided to get these gorgeous heels, and I love that they're not like super high. They're like the perfect height. And look at the beautiful details here. They're all like glittery and rhinestones, very sparkly. They're absolutely gorgeous. They are like satin material, and I am in love with these gorgeous heels. I can't wait to wear them on my wedding day. But this is everything that I got in today's haul. I will be doing, like I said, a separate video on bridal beauty essentials and all the things that I ended up getting for that special day. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.